Installing QGIS. The first thing we have to do is navigate to the page qgis.org. We'll click the Download Now button. This will lead us to a page with all the possible options. Versions for Windows, Mac, Linux, even an experimental version for Android. However, there is not a single version for each operating system, but we will have to choose the most appropriate for our working modality, the purpose, that is, what it will be used for, and depending on the version of the operating system, either 32 or 64 bits, that we have installed. For a safe working mode, the LTR version is preferable since it is the last stable version of the program. Once we click on the chosen version, the download process will begin. It will take time to download, depending on your bandwidth connection. When downloaded, run the installer. I will leave all the default options proposed by the installer, clicking next of all the dialog boxes. After a few minutes, the program will be ready to run. Thanks for watching.